Ladies and gentlemen, dear graduates, I'm so proud of you and I'm happy to see you here. I wish you all the very best as you enroll to your new responsibilities in life, which we hope will be productive citizens, participants in the rebuilding of our country, responsible citizens, making sure that the future of this country is better than its past. It started as a dream 16 years ago to establish an American university in Sulaimani. We called it the American University of Iraq in Sulaimani because genuinely we felt that kids from Basra, from Samawa, from Mosul and Baghdad shared the same vision, the same hopes for the future with the young people of Sulaimani and Erbil and other areas of Iraqi Kurdistan. I'm proud that we have succeeded so far in this effort, and this success would not have been possible without the dedication of our faculty, without the dedication of our leadership at this university. Bruce Ferguson, our president, has been a remarkable leader of this institution, and I want to really thank him for all the great initiatives and dedication that he has shown this university. I would want you to share with me in appreciating his role over the years as we have gone along. Our board of trustees, led by Jill Darby, and our members have been really steadfast in supporting this mission, and without their dedication and commitment, none of this would have been possible. I really appreciate your role, Jill, and those of the members of the board, those present and those who are not with us today. Many friends have helped us through the years in the KRG, in the business community here, but also specifically the United States government and the State Department of the grant system. So I'm grateful, Alina, that you are here with us today, sharing with us the joy of these graduates going out there to trying to making it happen. I was saying in Kurdish and Arabic, for those who do not get the gist of it, we really need to thank the teachers, the instructors, the professors who really have been given in so much to preparing these young people to a better future and being able to play what is important in the future of this country. I was proud to say that I have among the audience today one of my teachers from high school who has been gracious to join us today. They are the ones who inspire us to doing better. I hope you, fellow graduates, friends, kids, young people, whatever the term is for you guys, go out there and make it happen. The future is yours. Congratulations, and thank you so very much.